Yeah, hello guys. Good day, and of course, welcome to Forex Network. Today, we will be looking at a new topic, and the topic I'm looking at today is Forex frequently asked questions and answers. What are the major Forex frequently asked questions and answers? But before we start, I suggest you get a comfortable sitting position, a cup of coffee, your writing materials, as you will definitely need to write down some words. Now, let's begin. What is the difference between trading and Forex? Trading is a buying and selling of financial assets such as currencies, indices, crypto, shares, commodities, etc. Forex is the buying and selling of only currencies. In other words, when you buy and sell just currencies, you are actually trading Forex. But if you're buying and selling indices, cryptos, shares, you're not trading Forex, but you're still in the trading industry. Let's continue now. We can have a currency trader, crypto trader, or an investor. An investor usually buys mainly stocks and waits for it to increase over time. Now, what is Forex? Forex simply means foreign exchange. It is the buying and selling of one currency against the other. When you buy a currency pair, you expect the base to increase in value while the cross currency decreases. What is base and cross currency? Currency pairs usually comes in two. Example, GBP USD, meaning Great British Pound and United States dollars. The first currency, GBP, is called the base currency, while the second, which is the USD, is called the quote currency. Hello, before we continue, kindly do the following now to support the channel. Click on the subscribe button below. Don't forget, click on the like icon to show appreciation for the contents. That's done? Thanks. Let's continue. How do I profit from Forex? As we said earlier, we buy and sell currencies. So, if you buy a currency pair, you start making profit when the price goes higher than your entry price, which is the price the pair was when you place the order. For selling, the reverse is the case. When you sell a currency pair, you start making profits when the price goes below your selling price. Now, what makes most traders to lose or lose money in trading? Just as we said earlier, on how you make profit, most traders lose their money if their predictions is wrong. For example, if you buy a currency pair at $10 and expect the markets will continue increasing, but unfortunately it starts decreasing, then you lose your money. The reverse is the case if you're selling the pair. In other words, if you're buying a currency pair, you expect the market to start going higher than your prediction price. But if it should go lower, you start losing money, which means your prediction was wrong. How can I predict the direction correctly? There are various ways to predict the direction of the markets, but the most popular among traders are technical analysis, the fundamental analysis, and of course the sentimental analysis. If you want to know more about the technical, fundamental, and the sentimental, please watch the next video as I will be taking time to explain thoroughly what is fundamental, technical, and sentimental, and at the same time also teaching you how you can use it to trade correctly. Now let's continue. If I am losing, can I close the trade to avoid further loss? Yes. That's why there's provision for stop loss and take profits. Stop loss help you close the trade at a certain negative price, while take profits helps you close the trade at a certain positive price. The take profit and stop loss is usually placed by the trader. If you want to learn how to place your stop loss and take profit, please do well to check my previous video. I covered it there. Which is the best of the three analysis methods? All analytical methods are good, but they give better advantage to the trader that can combine all three together to predict the market's moves. That is, before a trader sets into trading, he should go check the fundamental news. Afterwards, go for the sentimental, and finally, go over to the chart for his technical. Combining all three gives a better entry and exit level. Which is the best site for fundamentals and sentimental? There's actually no word like best when it comes to trading in general. Instead, try visit various sites to get a better info about the pair you want to trade. The most common sites among traders are forexfactory.com, fxstreets.com, boomerang.com, etc. What is the best time frame for trading? As I said earlier, there is no rule like burst in trading. Choosing time frame depends solely on the type of trader. For example, a day trader can use D1, meaning the daily chart, the 4-hour chart, or the 1-hour chart for analysis, while entering in the 1-hour chart or 30 minutes time frame. A scalper can use the 4-hour charts, 1-hour chart, or 30 minutes chart for analysis, while entering on the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or 5 minutes charts. A swing trader can use the week 1, the daily for analysis, while entering on H4 and H1. A position or investor can use the monthly and weekly for analysis, while entering in the weekly or daily time frame. So kindly choose which is best for you. What controls the general movement of the market? The general movement of the market is being controlled by volume, direction with the bigger money. Let's say